Can't understand a Facebook post because it's in another language? In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook translation language in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now, scroll to the Preferences section and tap Language and Region. Here, you'll find your language options. Tap Translation Preferences or Posts Translation, depending on your Facebook version. After that, choose the language you want Facebook to translate posts into. Once you select it, Facebook will automatically save the changes, and future posts will be translated into your preferred language whenever translation is available. And that's it. That's how you can change the Facebook post translation language in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.